Hello everyone, welcome to the podcast of All Prime. From these podcasts, you will learn about digital marketing tips, tricks, and strategies from digital marketing practitioners. So let's enhance your marketing knowledge with All Prime.
Hello and welcome to our podcast. This is Rima Yadav. So today Badal Patel will tell us about why doctor needs a digital marketing service.
Hello, this is Badal Patel. Digital marketing is very important for doctors. So not only does digital marketing make it easier for patients to find and connect with your medical brand, it improves their experience along the way. With digital tracking systems, you can easily send out reminders reaching out to them on important dates.
So Badal, can you tell me how digital marketing helps to doctors?
As we know, more patients are searching for doctors online every year. Today, the majority of your new patients are going to be conducting research online when looking for a doctor. Digital marketing for a doctor is vital to make sure your practice is among the first they will see. Your digital presence is the same as handing out a business card. You wouldn't give someone a handwritten note on a piece of paper full of misspelled words to promote yourself. You give someone a professional business card. A sleek, easy to use and findable website is key to making an excellent impression on potential patients. Clearly stating your services and how patients feel about your practice is critical to attracting the right patients to your medical practice.
Okay, great. So my second point is how to know about your competitors.
As we know, during this pandemic, healthcare is a very competitive business, and the chances are other doctors your age have already put some time and money into their digital presence. Search online for doctors in your field in your area and you will find who your competition is around you. The doctors who appear at the top of your search with a great website are using digital marketing to promote their practices. It's time for you to take your efforts to the next level with Allprime. We'll develop a digital marketing strategy that will improve your search rankings and make it easier for your potential patients to find your practice. We will work within your budget and develop digital marketing goals that are achievable and fits your needs to attract your patients.
So the next I would like to know how doctors can get more number of walk-ins.
More than a third of all patients use Google to find a doctor. Allprime can help you claim and optimize your Google business listing to increase your online visibility. If you are the first choice on Google Maps or appear in a knowledge box in searches near your location, you will experience an increase in walk-in patients. Our experts will make sure your entire profile is up to date, including the address, hours of operation, phone number, services you offer, and a link to your website. Avoid the mistake other businesses often make by not updating seasonal hour changes or special holiday hours. Google Businesses profiles also allow you to respond to reviews and share updates or blogs with potential customers.
So the next point is how can doctors create online reputation through digital marketing?
We can create, promote, and defend your online reputation with the help of digital marketing. Don't want your business listed online, ignoring the fact that it would defeat the purpose of digital marketing. It's actually very hard to do. If you are in business for long enough, someone is going to submit information to list your business online. By employing digital marketing as a doctor, you can monitor your online reputation and push back against any false or misleading reviews about your practice. With digital marketing services and techniques, we can facilitate getting your patients to leave reviews about your practice.
So I want to know that is it cost effective?
As compared to traditional marketing, digital marketing is very cost effective. Chances are you don't have a multi-million dollar marketing budget like a university hospital. If you are a small practice, there are higher priority expenses like rent and electricity. However, you get a lot of bang for your buck when it comes to digital marketing. You do not need an ad guy or an advertising company to manage your marketing strategy. Digital marketing has made it so that everyone has access to it. The experts at Owl Prime will help you stretch your budget to get as much as exposure as possible. We will design your digital ads to have maximum impact and guide you away from advertising companies who may cold call you promising a lot but delivering a very little.
So that is it for today. Thank you so much for listening to this particular podcast. Don't forget to follow our channel because this podcast will help you grow your business. Follow us on Instagram and share our podcast on your Instagram story and tag us. We will reshare your story. For more info, you can visit us at owlprime.com.